Hello, today we will guide you through how to find Facebook Page ID in Meta Business Suite. If you need to locate your Facebook Page ID for setup, integrations, or troubleshooting, Meta Business Suite gives you a straightforward place to find it. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook or the Meta account that manages the page you want to check. If you have access to more than one business account or page, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right workspace before moving on, since page details can vary depending on which business asset is selected. Once you're inside Meta Business Suite, look toward the bottom left area of the screen for the navigation menu. Here, click on Settings. This section is where Meta groups together your business-level tools, permissions, and account details. If the interface takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially if your business account includes multiple assets. After Settings opens, move your attention to the top left side of the page and click on Business Info. This area contains key information related to the business account and associated assets. From here, you'll be able to view identifying details that help distinguish your business and page from others. When you're in the Business Info section, look through the information displayed on the page to locate the Facebook Page ID. This ID is typically shown as a numeric value and can be copied if you need to paste it into another platform, share it with a team member, or use it for technical configuration. Be careful to copy the full number exactly as shown, since even a small mistake can cause issues when using it elsewhere. If you don't immediately see the information you expect, double-check that the correct page or business asset is selected in Meta Business Suite. In some cases, switching to the right account view resolves the issue right away. And that's it. By going to Meta Business Suite, opening Settings from the lower left navigation, and selecting Business Info from the top left area, you can quickly access your Facebook Page ID when needed. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped make the process easy to follow.